What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Insecurelynatural, back at it again with another video. Another one, and another one, and another one. I just keep coming with them. In today's video, well, actually today is going to be part of a series of all of my favorite things. Now, I've been saying I'm going to do this video for the longest. Haven't got a chance to get to it, but today, I got time. I got time today, sis. Or bro. In this video, I'm going to be going over all my favorite shampoos that I use. I use every shampoo that I'm going to show you guys. So, let's get into it. The first set of shampoos that I'm going to be showing you guys are anti-dandruff shampoos. I have very bad dandruff. I haven't been diagnosed with seborrheic dermatitis, but I feel like I have it. It gets bad if I don't wash my hair like I'm supposed to. These shampoos are in no particular order. I'm just gonna go as I grab them because they all sitting right here. The first shampoo I'm gonna show you guys is the Selsun Blue Naturals. I used this shampoo in my very first video when I did my braid takedown. I usually only use this when I'm taking down a protective style like braids, something that's been in for a long time. And I use this when I have very bad flare-ups. But usually I have to use this at least every 2 months or so. This shampoo has salicylic acid in it. That is the main ingredient. The salicylic acid works to help remove that buildup when you have that dandruff buildup and those scales. Those shiny scales that build up on your hair when your hair overproduces sebum. I'll get more into that in my video when I do my video on this. I do want to make it a point to say that this one is the Selsun Blue Naturals. This one is blue, but it's clear. Because there's different ones. This one that kind of looks like this, but it's not clear. Because it's supposed to have 8 intensive moisturizers and botanicals, plus vitamins B5 and E. But if I'm honest, this does dry my hair out. It does have sulfates in it. So I make sure that I pre-poo before I use this. I really have a regimen. I have a video coming up for y'all very soon on my dandruff removal wash day. That'll be coming soon. This product really cleanses my scalp. Out of all my shampoos, like clarifying wise, this one really gets my scalp completely clean and I love it. It's just that it dries my scalp and I can't use it that often. This right here, I love it. I ain't even gonna lie. It dries the heck up out of my hair, but if you use the right conditioner behind this, you should be good. Stay tuned for my video and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to use this. So stay tuned for that. Next up, the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care Olive and Tea Tree Oil Shampoo. This has an active ingredient in it. It has zinc pyridone. Hey Siri, pronounce zinc pyridone. She ain't gonna do it. I got to let this up because parathione. It has zinc parathione in it. It's an antifungal and antibacterial agent. It relieves itching and buildup. This is less harsher than the one I showed y'all, the Selsun Blue. This one is less harsher, but I found that I didn't reach for this that much. It is almost empty because it is less harsh on my hair because like I said, the Selsun Blue does dry the heck up out of my hair. This one is more so natural because I mean, it's As I Am. They use all the great products. Like olive and tea tree oil. It just doesn't get my scalp as clean as the Selsun Blue, but it's not as harsh as the Selsun Blue. So yeah, this is really good. It smells like, to me it smells like medicine. Next up is the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care Olive and Tea Tree Oil Dandruff Co-Wash. I love this. I love it even over the shampoo. Like, it also has parathione, the zinc parathione in it. Parathione? This also has the zinc parathione in it. It is runny. I'm gonna show y'all without trying to spill it everywhere like I always do. It is a little runny, but it gets the job done for me. Like, I love it. If it wasn't a co-wash, if it was more cleansing, I would use it. But when I use this, sorry y'all, when I use this co-wash, it left my hair still moisturized, and I felt that tingly tea tree sensation on my scalp. So I loved it. I loved it. I use this like a regular co-wash. I'm sorry y'all, I just made it to so much messier, but I use this like a regular co-wash. I use it in between washes when my scalp may be a little bit dirty, a little bit of buildup, but I don't need to go all the way in with the big dogs. I go with this. Hey you watching this video? What's up? Y'all liking what y'all seeing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. While you at it, once you hit that subscribe button, right beside it, hit that notification bell so you notified every single time that I post another lit video, because we got more coming on the way. Also, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that like button for me too. Thank you. I'm gonna move on to moisturizing shampoos. I don't have a lot of moisturizing shampoos on my list because my scalp is very sensitive. I have a few moisturizing shampoos I want to show y'all that I love. Well, actually, it's only two, but y'all know. First up is the Organics. I don't even want to say Organics because I might be saying that wrong. I don't know why I say Organics. This is the OGX brand. I see this everywhere. I see it at Walmart. I see it at Target. It's in drugstores. You can get this, you can pick this up. But I think I got this from my local hair store. Initially, when I bought this for my wigs only. It makes my wigs super soft. It makes them super soft. It melts it and cleanses it. And it's not that harsh. It says, drench your curls. This nourishing blend with coconut oil, sweet honey, and a twist of citrus oil helps to enhance natural softness, boost decadent spirals, and tame frizz for beautiful tumbling waves with bounce and shine. And when I looked at the ingredients on this, coconut oil, lemon fruit oil, orange fruit extract, they're all at the top. Honey, citrus, lemon. All of these are closer to the top, so this is really good. Another moisturizing shampoo that I use, well, the other shampoo that I use is the Urban Hydration Honey Health and Repairing Shampoo. I picked this up on a whim. I think my cousin was telling me about Urban Hydration, and I picked it up because I was looking for another moisturizing shampoo that wasn't harsh other than the coconut curls. My hair loves honey. A lot of my products that I mentioned is gonna probably have honey in it. I seen the word honey and I was like, I gotta try it. It is paraben free, sulfate free, healthy, paraffin free, and phthalate free. I'm not good at pronouncing stuff, y'all, so y'all see it. Y'all probably don't see it, but anyway, this makes my hair soft. I always pre-poo with my shampoos, but I will say that this does cleanse my hair without leaving it super, super dry. And I love that. I also love this little thingy thing here, this distributor, because it's easy for me to put it in my hands versus, you know, I mean, the other ones is cool. This little thing is cool, but you gotta close it. And then you get product. Yeah, I'm just OCD, I guess. But this right here, I love the little top. It is a big bottle. I don't remember how much it was, and it smells good. It really does smell good. All the other ones, the little medicated ones, smell like medicine. But this smells good. It smells like honey. I love it. So the next moisturizing, well, I guess you can say I put it in the moisture category, but it's not a shampoo, it's a co-wash. It's the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. Y'all probably know about this. A lot of my naturals know about this because As I Am has been around for a long time. This is good. I love the smell of this. Like, I could smell it all day, y'all. And I go through this. I not only use this for my natural hair, but I use this for my wigs too, because it just softens up my hair and it softens up my wigs. I love this. This will always be a staple of mine because it moisturizes my hair so good. This coconut co-wash has tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, saw palmetto, tangerine. This got some good stuff in it. I use this in between washes, and I use this when my scalp is not irritated or flaking or scaly. I will use this. So whenever my scalp is healthy and I need a little refresher, I reach for the coconut co-wash. Last in this category of shampoos is the clarifying shampoos. Now, I only have 2 clarifiers, and one of them is not really a shampoo, but I decided to add it in because I added the co-washes, so why not? The first clarifying shampoo on my list is the Kinky Curly Come Clean. What I love about this is it doesn't have a strong smell, and I find that things with strong smells irritate my scalp, and this right here does not irritate my scalp at all. It makes my hair squeaky clean but still moisturized. It's sulfate free and pH balanced. Most of the ingredients are organic. For instance, it has purified water, organic mandarin orange fruit, organic marigold flower, organic white willow bark, organic sea kelp. And then it has citric acid, all that other stuff. And the ingredients are simple. It's not a whole long list. It's only a few on the back. Pick it up. Last but not least is the Indian Healing Clay. It's a calcium bentonite clay mask. I'm gonna link my video above for y'all. I just recently tried this for the first time, and y'all, this right here really like cleaned the crap out of my hair. My curls was back popping, like refreshed, back healthy, like all the old products and stuff I had in my hair. This made it all go away. I love this. This gives my curls a reset. It really cleanses the product off of my hair, and it really like brings my curls back to life. It really like makes my curls pop, y'all. Pop, 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 pop. Sometimes.
Eventually.
I mix this with apple cider vinegar. You can mix it with just water, but you get your best results with the apple cider vinegar. And it kind of acts as an all-in-one for me because it clarifies my hair, it resets my curls. The apple cider vinegar in it helps my scalp along with my hair strands. And you can also add any type of oil that you want with this mask. You can add tea tree oil, you can add any oil, coconut oil, black castor oil. You can add all of that to your clay mask. Pick this up. I think I got it off Amazon. Go ahead and like this video for me. Hit that thumbs up, and while you at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post, because the next video, sis, is going to be, what's the next video going to be? My next video is going to be deep conditioners, and you don't want to miss that because y'all know deep conditioners play a very important role in hair, all hair, high porosity, low porosity, all of that. Stay tuned for video number 2, deep conditioners. You don't want to miss this, sis. And y'all also want to stay tuned for these lit videos that I have coming. Also, other than this series, is more lit videos coming, sis. You don't want to miss it. So, peace out. Deuces.
Baby, you know